True quality. Easy words to say, but few stand in their own truth when they speak them. Because true quality is demanding. It calls for the purest principles, the deepest commitments, and only the truly dedicated will ever measure up. But it's worth the search if you can find the road. There are subtle landmarks along the way, and a discovery that drives you forward. And when you find true quality, it'll stop you in your tracks. A supremely crafted super yacht is an unforgettable discovery. And it also tells a story of absolute precision, trusted engineering, the finest materials, and beautiful spaces designed to be shared. Ultimately, it's a story of those who build the yacht and their deep-seated passion and determination to craft perfection. When this comes to life in an exceptional super yacht, you can be sure you've uncovered true quality. Yours to enjoy, and a story to continue. Sarp Yachts, the quality life deserves.